Hey, what up, y'all?
Get this copyright popping.
I'm Logan. I'm turning this shit down, you putting it up at the same time. I'm driving slow as shit. Nigga behind me probably mad. I'm just cruising because it's like sun out. Yo, I look good right here, bro.
That's why I'm telling you, this camera is.
We're gonna get into it.
Look at this skin.
It look like I take care of myself.
Yo, who would have thought?
It look like I buy Raymond Seamoss.
What?
Oh, you don't get the joke.
What the fuck is that? Oh, you talking about Raymond?
Yeah. He's selling Seamoss and shit, organic shit. So that's why I was like, look like I'm taking care of myself. Y'all ain't get. If y'all follow Raymond, y'all got the joke. And you see, you probably got the joke.
Shout out to Raymond.
Shout out to Raymond. Yo, every time I see a Ford fucking Explorer, I get nervous as shit, bro.
Yo, and they be all white too, looking like.
Yes. And they be having the blue lights like the cops, so I'm like, oh my god, I'm about to get stopped.
Alright, so enough of that copyright. So
Enough of not getting any money.
Yeah. So today.
Are you trying to go with Popeyes? They got the $5 box.
So today we doing a mukbang. I don't know, it's up to you.
I mean, nah, it's cool. Burger King.
Alright. So today we're doing a mukbang for the first time. Currently Mark's not here, he on vacay.
My man's a PR. Mark, send us a Yo's Berlin right over here?
No, it's not around here. It's the other one.
Right Burger King right here.
So
Mark, send us that PR mukbang. Yo, Mark, don't get shot too, bro. I see all that shit going on over there in PR. Oh, I saw the driver right. Wait, what?
That's what I'm telling. I'm like, where are you going?
Bro, this shit in the way, bro. I can't see. So apparently we're going to Monarch Diner.
Nah. So I hit Q up. I'm like, yo, I don't know if you ever peep at Burger King coming out, a lot of random shit. So I'm like, you trying to do a mukbang for the culture. And here we are, driving through a diner parking lot. This lady walking slow as hell with her cane.
Facts.
God bless her soul. And then Q on the way up here.
Grandma walked faster.
Whoa, that
she got no
flooded.
Yeah, what the fuck?
So, and then on the way up here, Q suggested that we each decide what the other person will be eating today. Shout out to Fredo. And that's what we're gonna do. So are we
going in or are you doing?
You wanna do drive-through or you wanna like stand there and like actually think about it?
Let's stand there and actually think about it.
Alright.
So Vic's gonna order my food. He's gonna order it and I'm gonna just pay. Doing like 15 to 20. Yeah, there he goes right there. And I'm gonna turn this off before people be like, what the fuck are they doing? So yeah.
And we're back. Wait, I'm just gonna make it seem like are we gonna eat here or are we gonna dip?
I'm gonna eat it. I kind of wanted to eat it at your house.
Okay. It's gonna get cold.
We can eat it here. We can eat it here. They gonna be watching.
So what? Alright, so we ordered for each other. It's kind of cute, you know. But I'm gonna read off what I ordered for you, and then I'll do the song.
So, Vic ordered for me uno taco. Uno 4-piece mozzarella sticks. Uno pulled pork, medium fry, medium coke. We try to go ahead.
Go ahead.
We try to get desserts, but then they just ignored us.
Yeah,
so.
they didn't want anything to do with us anymore. They was like, they being weird.
They like, we only serve customers one time per day.
So Q got me I just peeped, you got me spicy, good looking. He got me the spicy sandwich, crispy chicken. And then I told him no tomato, no mayo, because I'm a picky ass. And then he also got me the taco, and then this asshole slipped it in there. I didn't even peep. He got me the 10-piece nugget for $1.49. For y'all that don't know, if like what y'all want to know what Burger King chicken nuggets taste like, just imagine wetting this bag and chewing on it. And that's what we got here.
Yo, but this taco look nasty as shit.
All right, we gonna go into the taco.
Let's go into the taco.
The John look like
Bro, they look like the John St. Peter's used to give us.
Real rap. I don't know. I'm gonna eat over the bag. You got true mukbang style.
Oh,
It's just see-through, low-key.
it don't look like they wanted to make it a papelillo, but then they stopped halfway. Oh my god.
What's the verdict?
Huh. I'm gonna get past this hard ass tortilla real quick. Was there no meat in there?
The bottom.
I mean, it's okay. The tortilla has flavor.
It's just all mush.
Pretty much.
To be honest, the texture is kind of nasty.
They tried.
Like, look at that.
Why does it smell like it sounds like a squeegee in my mouth? I'm honestly, my stomach thinks this is so good because I haven't eaten since this morning.
Mm-hmm. That's when you touch me, like, I'm just leaving now. I'm like, shit.
Oh, this fucking asshole. Yeah.
It's $1 taco. I'm just leaving it at
Yeah.
that.
Get what you pay for. Honestly, she just looked over here. She looked, oh my god, she stared over here.
What if they recognize us?
I'm ashy as shit. Your lid just did that to me.
That?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
God damn.
There's cup water on you.
They call me Ashy Man. I'm the Ashy Man. I'm the Ashy. That joke. Only Philly natives know that. Dead ass. The taco from St. Peter's was a lot better.
It was. You remember the round John?
Mm-hmm.
Greasy as shit. Then they switched it up and gave us the one with like the beans and looked all nasty.
Mm-hmm.
I feel like it looked like the OG taco.
That's where all my lettuce went.
Oh, did I even have lettuce? I did have lettuce. It all just fell off?
Yeah. Yo, I think he just watched me eat my lettuce. Cause she cracking the fuck up.
I'm being secure, Quentin. It's okay.
Stop. I am. What's next?
I'm kind of scared to get into my nuggets here.
It's 10-piece nuggets for $1.49.
They look firm. More firm than last time. I'm gonna kind of put them in ranch, just because ranch makes everything more tolerable.
Let me get one.
What, a ranch?
I'll eat it with you. And I'll eat it by itself.
This joint's stiff.
First of all, knock, knock, knock.
Like, this joint hard.
Not gonna go out. No. Okay. Oh. Where's the meat? Huh? Y'all talk about McDonald's nuggets is bad. The fuck is this?
Nah.
Yo, these ones is nasty.
Believe it or not, these are better than the last time I had them.
For real?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe because yours was maxed with ranch. That shit, try it by itself.
I don't know. Why are they so flat, though?
Where's the fucking meat at? Yo, what is that bench, bro? That's a singular bench?
Where? Nigga, that's a chair.
It looks like a bench.
He said it.
For one person.
That's what we call them chairs now, singular benches.
First off, where's my mozzarella sauce? First off, where's my mozzarella sauce? How you give somebody mozzarella sticks with no mozzarella sauce? Was this supposed to go with mozzarella sauce?
I don't know.
Should I go in there? I'm not eating these without sauce.
Class. Maybe it's in my bag. No.
Maybe it's in my bag.
I was just checking. I'm not the one who forgot your sauce. Don't give them the attitude.
I'm about to.
Let me get a free pie while you at it.
Facts. Matter of fact, let me eat these fries before they get cold.
These fries get thick.
These fries, when cold, are not the move. Yeah, hurry up. Eat these bitches. So, you know what's crazy? We really all gotta die. That's the shit that keeps me up at night. I gotta die someday. That's wild.
Nothing you can do about it.
Right. Alright, let me stop before I get depressed. That should be hitting me. Only before I go to sleep or when I'm in the shower. When I'm taking a shower, then be like, damn, you could die tomorrow.
This may be the worst ranch I've ever had in my life.
I'm not go back in there, get us all the sauces so we don't taste none of this food.
Just cut to us dumping all of it just into the bag and shaking it. But I can see why people don't eat Burger King.
No bullshit. The only thing that I really fucks with from Burger King is the Whopper. Like, that's the only thing. Like, anything else, I don't... Like, the spicy chicken, like, it's good. It's good, you know? Pero... Motherfucker could have said fucking Wendy's or something.
What?
What?
What was that?
I said this motherfucker could have said Wendy's or something.
Wendy's ain't make a taco.
You know who did?
Taco Bell.
Yeah.
Imagine they come out with the Burger King comes out with a taco 12-pack.
Imagine Taco Bell could fuck around and be like, think outside the bun, but think inside it for a limited time. We got burgers now.
Fuck you, Burger King.
Fuck y'all. Y'all think y'all can just make burgers and shit? Come into my hood. Pussy.
I got the spicy chicken. I thought it was a long sandwich.
They used to make them like that. You know what I've noticed? A lot of old people come here.
A lot of old
That's
people.
like the third old lady I've seen.
A lot of old people live around here.
True that. No loitering. Are we loitering right now? We're eating their food, so we can't be loitering. Honestly, I'm done eating them fries. I can't. Too nasty. I'm gonna try to eat the mozzarella stick. Not that bad. What's wrong?
They're a little stiff.
Yeah. She look like a chicken finger. Yeah. It's got a bit of aftertaste. I can't believe I told my mom no to her soup for this nasty shit. You know how much I love my mom's soup, Vic?
There'll be someone you get back. I hope.
Now I'm gonna kill myself. That's still the funniest scene to me. From The Office when he's like, how do I fire somebody? He was like, you fired me. He's like, I think we're just gonna have to go with someone. I'm gonna kill myself, and it's all your fault.
I'm going to kill.
She with a dude? Oh no, she's with a girl.
I think the only highlight here for me is the fries.
You don't like the chicken sandwich?
Yeah, I like it.
Honestly, the only highlight for me right now is these mozzarella fries. Mozzarella sticks. Oh shit! Did we talk about Stranger Things? Did you watch it?
I don't watch the show. Why are you here right now?
That's what I was gonna say. The wrong friend went to Puerto Rico. But Mark watches it. If Mark was here, we could have talked about it. But whatever.
Cut to a Burger King in Puerto Rico. You in the car like, alright.
How much money you got in your bank account right now? Let's go take a flight to PR. Just surprise the fuck out of Mark.
Some David Dobrik shit.
Yep. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? We fly to Puerto Rico and surprise Mark.
I wish we could do that. That'd be funny.
I would. We'll buy a paintball gun over there and everything.
Sup, bitch?
No, paintball gun is David Dobrik thing. We fuck around, get a real gun. Get a real gun. Like, what's up, bitch? Boom, boom.
Oh shit. Bet you we go viral though.
Like, stop, bitch. It's just a flesh wound.
No, like y'all really got me.
You hit an artery.
Oh man. So I never actually watched the whole mukbang, I don't think.
Me either.
People really just be getting millions of views just eating food in the car.
Watch this be like a 500 view fucking video.
Oh, some random shit.
Yo, Burger King.
No,
Don't ever sponsor me because I'm not eating your food.
Oh, you didn't even eat the pork.
No. I was gonna say, don't ever sponsor me because I'm not telling people your food is good.
Show off the pulled pork real quick.
First of all, why they put pickles in it? Who the fuck? That ass?
Mm-hmm.
Yo, who puts pickles in pulled pork, yo?
It's like the version of the McRib.
It don't smell bad.
I mean, it's just pork and barbecue. That it looked like a burger. Like it looked like a patty.
You said,
Yo,
I went to
that nigga
Burger
laugh.
King.
That nigga laugh never gonna get like old to me.
No.
He got like 12 different versions of the same laugh. Like It's good. New highlight. You don't got a little bit of kick to it.
Wow. Oh my god.
Does it taste like the Chicken Little from KFC?
Yeah. Wanna try it? Trying to hide from the camera. There's more talking going into these things?
Usually. But like,
What is there to talk about? We talk too much. We gotta not talk for like a month. So we have some content.
facts. Starting now.
Get the fuck out. I think that's why I didn't want to come in your car. So I can kick you out.
No, I was gonna say.
Yo, can I put my lid on? I got it.
I'm really mad it's like 100 degrees like every day. For no reason. All this time when I wasn't working, it was cold. Couldn't swim, couldn't do nothing. Now I'm working. Perfect weather every day.
Facts. The weather when we were swimming was like it was raining every day. We was like, fuck it, we just gotta get in the pool.
Now it's like, yeah, you can literally get in whenever you want. And now I can't because I'm busy.
Facts.
I don't even know when was the last time I played Apex with you guys. Or PlayStation in general.
Every time I'm on, nobody's on because like my schedules be weird. So
Nigga, some days you be done at 11 when you close, and then it'd be like 3 a.m. you still there.
yeah, it's just like it sucks, especially since I was looking at your schedule and I was looking at my schedule. I'm like, yo, none of our shit lined the fuck up. Like, what the fuck?
It's like they know.
Yeah.
All the managers out here like, Is she about to park? Oh, I thought she was going back up into our spot right here.
Oh, really, bitch?
And they got all that open parking over there.
Yo, bro, that shit happened to me the other day. I was at Acme, right? First of all, I feel like this happens a lot to everyone. Sometimes it be seeming like it's bullshit. I dead ass parked far as shit. I'm like, and I love spaces.
Nasty, just nasty. Like,
now they leaving? Goddamn. Anyway, maybe they was making a vlog. So, I did ass parked, so like, it was a space between, like, you know, like that Honda right there. And there's all this extra room next to my car. Like, there's other spots, like, open. Bull gonna park in between me and some other bull. I'm like, so instead of taking the parking spots that you wouldn't have nobody on either side, you went into the spot where there's people on either side.
It's like going to the urinal.
Right, now that's... back the fuck up.
Whole shit be open. Wait, why they both got headsets on? You seen that shit? They had like PS4 headsets on in the car.
Cause they work here.
Is that the headsets they had on their side? Oh. I'm gonna say, why the fuck they got Razer headsets? Working at Burger King. That's why they got the PC set up on the side.
That's what the computers are really for.
They playing CS:GO on the clock. They're trying to get no attention. That's why they had the old ass soda symbols. Yo, they had on the soda machine. They had the oldest, like, for like the sodas that they had. They don't even own that symbol anymore. It's like the old ass Sprite symbol, old Powerade.
That's why so many old people come here. They feel like it's like vintage, like retro. like y'all probably like, oh, they probably just talking about what other places got before freestyle. No, this is before
that.
That, like,
even before the one, like the soda machines that we knew before freestyle Johns. Like, just the logos are just like, it's like old, so old. Like, you know that meme where it's talking about where it has two things of water? It looks like those. Where it's like just plain water and the other one has like cursive. It's like water.
when you drink out of a Brita filter.
Or shit. Yo, like in the beginning, because I didn't really eat today, like you was saying. And now that I'm like somewhat full, all this food just tastes so disgusting to me. In the beginning, I was like, oh, this is not that bad. He was tearing up this pulled pork though. I think you might come back for that one.
Not with the pickles though.
Yeah, you just tell him no pickle.
I just ate a pickle with it. It's
really?
not the move.
Really? He snuck in there.
One found his way back in. Okay, I can't finish it. Get out of here.
Yeah, you spit it out?
Yeah.
I heard that on the thumb.
I couldn't help it.
You did it with some authority. Yo, I'm still cracking up over the snippet that I posted from last Thursday's video.
What, the bull passing out?
Yeah, like my reaction. I didn't realize that I reacted that bad. I was like, oh shit!
You def gave a big ass reaction.
And it was genuine though, because I looked back at it, I'm like, when did that happen?
Because it's not something we expected.
He hit concrete. Wait, does Burger King delivers?
They do drive up.
Oh, you're right.
Yo, finish my fries, bro.
Nah, I didn't even finish mine. You ready to just end it? That shit was nasty, guys. Hopefully, if this like does okay, or we feel like we'll do a burger. You know what would be right to do?
Fast food runs.
Well, yeah, something like that. But I feel like it would do it justice if we did a Wingstop mukbang. And we just got we went 3 ways on like the big ass John, and just called it a day. Cause I don't know, like literally before we haven't done it in a while. But every time we finish recording, we go to Wingstop, and that shit was always the move. Yeah.
Now with our new location, we can't do a Wingstop, but
we do something close by though.
Ew.
But then there's also they're opening more.
There's a boogie napkin.
They had the one on Aramingo that's open. I told you the one around Levick is opening up. Then you already had another one near you, right?
Yeah, the one on Cotman.
Yeah, so
I ain't like that one though.
How come?
Their wings just taste weird. And it's the same shit, but it's just different. Like, it's weird.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
It's like either they don't leave them in long enough, Or they leaving them in too long? I don't know.
But if this was boring, we're sorry.
I feel like all mukbangs are boring though.
I think it.
Like
I think it's just the idea of like eating with somebody, and that's what because there's never anything crazy happening.
That is very true. Like when I used to watch David Dobrik do them with Trisha Paytas, like the only reason why I ever watched Trisha's videos is because David was in it, and he made her shit 10 times better. So like they did like a Burger King mukbang before.
It'd be like behind the scenes of like basically somebody you actually do watch on another channel.
Basically, and they did Chick-fil-A. And when they did a Chick-fil-A one, I dead ass got in my car and went to Chick-fil-A because I was like, I'm gonna eat with them, and I did.
Yeah, I think that's the whole premise. I don't really think it's like because it's super entertaining. I get it though, because like there's videos like that I watch. I'm like, oh, like it's kind of like I feel like vlogs too.
Yeah.
Like vlogs a lot of times aren't really crazy, except for what they've become now. But like the original idea of a vlog was never really anything crazy.
You know what's crazy is vlog, like they gave it a title, but before like. I feel like vlogs been happening since like YouTube even started.
Oh yeah.
Like they used to Dashie used to do them. He used to call it Hanging with Dashie.
But it never had that official name to it.
Yeah, and it wasn't as big as it was now. Like,
and it was reality. Now vlogs can be vlogs and they'll be like set up like David Dobrik type shit.
And not only that, it's like people prefer that over content. But like I don't know if you saw the YouTube channel I posted, the Corridor Crew.
I've seen screenshots on it.
But they started like another channel called the Guillotine Channel, and they built a guillotine. Now they're like cutting shit, and I'm like, this is the content I signed up on YouTube for. I was like, this is like the authentic shit, like good ideas and group of guys just having fun.
Something different.
Yeah.
But yeah, well, hope you guys enjoyed, even though to us it seemed kind of like whatever, but.
It was my first.
Yeah, we'll get better at it.
We took our mukbang virginity.
Pretty soon we'll have like an 80-pound lobster here, and we'll just slurp on that joint loud.
Fuck out of here! That is.
I hate that video so much.
Was there napkins in here?
No, they didn't give us anything.
What's the street?
I don't. This is like just a long ass strip. I forget.
Whatever the fuck this is.
Delsey Drive.
That Delsey Drive on Burger King, was that 410? Y'all need to check y'all attitude, okay?
There's a bug.
Y'all need to check.
Damn. All right, whatever. This is going.
All right, yo.
It's way too long.
Bye, y'all.
So thank y'all for watching. We love y'all. See you next Tuesday. Bye.
Thursday.
This is a Thursday video.
You said Tuesday.
Yeah, but this is gonna be posted on Thursday.
You said see you next Tuesday.
Did I say Tuesday?
Yeah.
We're gonna roll this back, and if I said Thursday,
you said
I'm gonna
Tuesday.
make it the preview.
You said Tuesday.
See y'all next Tuesday. Or you got me confused. Bye.
You just found out he said see you next Tuesday. How you feel?
I genuinely thought I said Thursday. I'm gonna be real with you.
Motherfuckers always down me, dog. Get the fuck out.
In my head, I heard
Get
Thursday.
out. The fuck out the car.